Welcome to the world of innovation, power, and precision. Introducing the MeLe design firm 900 series battery mount, setting a new standard for performance and style. Crafted from locally sourced 5052 aluminum, each box is laser cut, machine formed, and hand TIG welded to protect your performance battery. With a convenient pull-style locking pin, your battery stays ready for action in the event you need to service or change out your battery. It can be accomplished in a matter of minutes. Simply pull the pin and lift the latch to access your battery. Incorporating a distinctive dual-stake design, the hinge on our mount is custom engineered to withstand the test of time, ensuring complete battery access without compromise. And we've left nothing to chance when it comes to protection. Our mount features soft, high-temp foam that lines the upper perimeter as well as on top of the latch. The bottom of the mount has a 50A durometer hard foam, guaranteeing ultimate security for your battery. Our mount isn't just tough, it's stylish too. With a sleek powder-coated finish, it's built to withstand the harshest conditions while looking incredible. But wait, there's more! Our Spec kit comes with a comprehensive coated steel plate, allowing them to be mounted virtually anywhere there is a flat surface, including the trunk, and it ensures your battery stays secure even during the most intense use cases. Your peace of mind is our commitment. Join the future of automotive power solutions with MeLe Design Firm. MeLe Design Firm, rally-tested battery mounts built to perform.